Tired of annoying pop-up ads interrupting your browsing or appearing out of nowhere on your Android phone? The good news is that you can reduce most unwanted ads by using a few built-in Android and Chrome settings. These methods are safe, easy to follow, and don't require rooting your device or installing risky apps. First, enable private DNS for system-wide ad filtering. Open the Settings app and go to Connections or Network and Internet, depending on your Android device. Tap More Connection Settings, then select Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider hostname and enter dns.adguard.com. Be sure to type only the hostname, don't include HTTPS or SEO or any extra characters. Tap Save to activate the setting. This can help reduce many ads across supported apps and websites while also improving your overall browsing experience. Next, adjust your Google Chrome settings. Open Chrome, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, then go to Settings and Site Settings. Select pop-ups and redirects and make sure it is set to Don't Allow. Then return to Site Settings and open Intrusive Ads. If your version of Chrome includes this option, enable block ads to limit disruptive advertisements on websites that don't follow better advertising practices. Now, check your browser notification permissions. In Site Settings, tap Notifications and review the list of websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you see any unfamiliar or suspicious websites, block or remove their permission. Many unexpected pop-up ads actually come from notification permissions that were accidentally accepted while visiting a website. After completing these steps, restart Chrome if needed and continue using your phone as usual. These settings can greatly reduce unwanted pop-ups and improve your browsing experience. Keep in mind that some free apps display advertisements as part of their business model, so these steps may not remove every ad. However, they can significantly reduce intrusive pop-ups while helping you enjoy a cleaner, safer, and less distracting Android experience.